Taking question number 14 of exercise 11.2 of three-dimensional geometry. The question is, find the shortest distance between the lines r is equal to I plus 2j plus k plus lambda times I minus j plus k and r is equal to 2i minus j minus k plus lambda times 2i plus j plus 2k. Okay, so let us see how we are going to solve this question. Now, if we have two lines, r is equal to a1 plus lambda v1 and r is equal to a2 plus lambda v2, then the distance between the two lines, that is the shortest distance between the two lines, is given by d is equal to the modulus of a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 upon modulus of b1 cross b2. If you are not knowing this formula, then you may not be able to calculate the shortest distance between the lines. Okay, so it is very crucial that you should be knowing this formula. Okay, now let us see how we are going to apply this formula and solve it. Now first thing what we are going to do, we are going to calculate the value of a1 b1 and a2 b2. Okay, now if we take this first equation of line, then a1 is equal to I plus 2j plus k and b1 is equal to I minus j plus k. Okay, and similarly we can write a2 as 2i minus j minus k and b2 as 2i plus j plus 2k. Okay, now to calculate the value of d, we are not going to directly place all these values in this formula. Okay, first of all we are going to calculate the value of a2 minus a1, then b1 cross b2, okay, then the dot product, then the modulus of b1 cross b2, and in this way the calculation are going to become simple and we would be not getting confused, or our calculation would be more accurate in this manner. Okay, so a2 minus a1 is the difference of these two vectors, so this will be equal to 2i minus j minus k minus I plus 2j plus k. So this will be equal to I minus 3j minus 2k. Okay. Next, I am going to calculate b1 cross b2. So b1 cross b2 is the cross product of these two vectors, b1 and b2. So I am going to write in the form of determinant like this: ijk, the coefficient of b1 as 1 minus 1 1 and coefficient of b2 as 2 1 2 to form this determinant, and this will be equal to I times minus 2 minus 1, minus sign is taken from the expansion, j will multiply with 2 and minus 2, k will multiply with 1 and minus minus, this will become actually minus 2 and in between we place minus sign, so this will become plus 2, and this is going to give me minus 3i plus 0j plus 3k. So b1 cross b2 is equal to minus 3i plus 3k. Okay, now I'm going to calculate the modulus also. Okay, so this will be equal to square root of minus 3 square plus 0 square plus 3 square, or square root of 18 or 3 root 2. Actually here this modulus stands for magnitude. Okay, so b1 cross b2 I have calculated the magnitude of this cross product. Here in this formula, this modulus sign is given because the distance cannot be negative. So in any case, if we get a negative value, so modulus sign is placed so that the value always comes positive. So that is why we have placed a modulus sign here. Next, we are going to calculate the value of a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2. Okay, so it is very simple. We have placing the value of a2 minus a1 and b1 cross b2, and the dot product is very simple. We have to just multiply the coefficient of I with coefficient of I, j with coefficient of j, k with coefficient of k to get the dot product. So this will be equal to minus 3 plus 0 minus 6. So 0 I have not written. So this will be equal to minus 3 minus 6, that will be equal to minus 9. Okay, so I have calculated most of the values which I have required to calculate the value of d. So I have to just place in this formula the required value. So I have calculated first of all what I have to place in the denominator, a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2, which is equal to 9. So I am going to place 9 here, and modulus or magnitude of b1 cross b2 is equal to 3 root 2. So I am going to place to obtain the value of d as equal to modulus of 9 upon 3 root 2, or this 3 can be simplified as 3 upon root 2. We generally do not keep the denominator as irrational, so this can be written as 3 root 2 upon 2. So the shortest distance between the two lines is equal to 3 root 2 upon 2 units, which is the required answer.
Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.